witness an inauguration as unique as our Leela Poonawalla Foundation family. I wish to invite the dignitaries on the dais, our chief guest, Mr. Minochar Patel, guest of honor, Mr. Nikhil Kaushal, Leela Mom, Feroz Dad, committee members come Leela Fellow, Rupali Soni, Principal of Belair College, and Kodya Kausar Mullah to please come forward to inaugurate today's award function in an eco-friendly way by watering of the potted plant.
We are also fortunate to have with us today Mr. Nikhil Kaushal, Project Controller IKEA Foundation, who is our esteemed guest of honor for today's Scholarship Award function. I will just briefly introduce him to you in very few words. Actually, I'm not just doing justice to all that he stands for, but just in brief, let me tell you about Mr. Nikhil Kaushal. He joined the IKEA Foundation in April 2014 and works with program managers to make and manage grants globally, focusing on partner due diligence, contracting, budgets, and financial monitoring. Mr. Nikhil Kaushal comes with an extensive experience of working in finance for development of the organizations specializing in the fields of microfinance, health, child protection, and education. Mr. Nikhil has a master's degree in commerce and has done an executive education program at Harvard Business School. He works from the Delhi office of the IKEA Foundation and loves spending time with family and friends. With this really very brief introduction, I request Mr. Nikhil Kaushal to address the gathering and inspire our girls.
Thank you very much for such a wonderful opportunity to speak in front of such esteemed guests and also after such a wonderful talk with Mr. Patel. So good afternoon everyone, and I hope you are enjoying your evening. And नमस्कार जो लोग ऊपर बैठे हैं, मेरे को ठीक से दिख नहीं रहा है, सबको नमस्कार मेरा जो ऊपर बैठे हैं. I am happy and privileged to got an opportunity to speak at this function in the auspicious presence of Mr. Patel, Mrs. Leela Poonawalla, Mr. Feroz. I would like to congratulate and welcome the new inductees to the prestigious Leela Fellowship. You deserve a special recognition for a simple fact that the selection process of Leela Poonawalla Foundation for this scholarship is very stringent, is of very high standard, and you should congratulate yourself that you have been selected for this prestigious lifetime fellowship. This fellowship not only makes you a family member of Leela Poonawalla Foundation, but also will help you grow in your career, grow as a person, and grow professionally, and will help you achieve what you think you want to achieve in your life. I represent a foundation called IKEA Foundation, and we are partners of the Leela Poonawalla Foundation. And we feel, standing at this podium, I actually really feel proud of making a little difference along with Leela Poonawalla Foundation to the fact that so many girls have got scholarships, so many of them are working and achieving what they have set out to achieve for themselves. IKEA Foundation has been a partner of Leela Poonawalla Foundation for about 5 years, and we are really proud of this partnership. The IKEA Foundation's mission is to create a substantial and lasting change by funding holistic programs globally. And I believe that nothing can be more holistic than funding an education program like this one. We believe that education is a great equalizer and creates a level playing field for all, irrespective of class, religion, or income. Education, which you are going to get now, the professional education, the undergraduation, the post-graduation, the nursing, which actually is going to help you increase your knowledge and build your skill sets. It will bring positive change in your life. I am confident that, like previous Leela Fellows, the newly inducted Leela Fellows will carry the flag of success forward. I am confident that with this opportunity, you are getting a chance to turn your dreams into reality. You are a privileged group, and I urge you to make the most of the opportunity, to shape your future, your life, and to make us all proud. Obviously, while doing so, you will make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. I make mistakes all the time. But it is very important that we learn from our mistakes. We learn, we evolve ourselves, we develop ourselves professionally, we develop ourselves personally, we enhance our knowledge, we build our skill sets. So that's how we learn from our mistakes. We should not repeat our mistakes, but we should learn and develop ourselves so that we do not make those mistakes again, and that will help us enhance our careers. So that's a little bit of advice for me. Do not worry about the mistakes, but worry about making the same mistakes again and carry on. We also feel that education is the license for the future. Tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. So work hard, and I'm sure that finally your dreams will come true. A very big congratulations from all of us at IKEA Foundation. We have our office in New Delhi and in Holland, in Leiden. So our congratulations to all the Leela Fellows for such a wonderful scholarship, and I hope that all you will meet with success in future. I should mention that what LPF is doing something which is very phenomenal, and that would not have been possible without the guidance and leadership of Mrs. Leela Poonawalla and Mr. Feroz. I mean, they have been a guiding force, they have been a leader, they are so motivated and focused on what they want to achieve. And their achievement is nothing but the success of the Leela Fellows. So they see their success in the success of your success. So this is wonderful, and this is what motivates also the IKEA Foundation team to partner with Leela Poonawalla Foundation. In the last, thank you very much for having me here, and I congratulate you again, and all the best for the future. Do your best and achieve the highest pinnacle and your dreams. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
I request Leela Mom to felicitate our guest of honor, Mr. Nikhil Kaushal, with the token of our gratitude.